By the end of the 15th century, there were nearly 150 churches in the city of Venice, but the one that you see here is one of the most unique. It's called Santa Maria dei Miracoli, or Saint Mary of the Miracles, and it was built to house a miraculous painting that was allegedly working miracles from people in this neighborhood. The architect of the church was named Pietro Lombardo, and he built it in only 8 years, between 1481 and 1489. It is a tall rectangular structure covered on the outside with this very colorful array of marble, making it look very much like a jewelry box. And of course, the jewel that it houses is the miraculous painting. The facade of the church is broken up into 3 orders. The lowest, a screen of Corinthian order pilasters. Then supporting the next level, which consists of a blind arcade, and you may notice that the order there is Ionic, which is actually the reverse of what the ancients would have done. It would have been Ionic on the base and Corinthian up above. And then you have that semicircular pediment at the top, which in fact suggests that what is behind it is the massive barrel vault that covers the entire church. The interior of the church carries on the decorative motif as well, even though it's just a single nave surmounted by this massive coffered barrel vault, and then at the far end of the church, the raised presbytery upon which sits the miraculous painting. So if you're in Venice, be sure to visit this chicca, this little gem of a church called Santa Maria dei Miracoli. And remember to pick up my latest book, Rebuilding the Renaissance, Volume 1, The Ancient World, available both on my website and on Amazon as well. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly.